Hey y'all, it's Miracle. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my insanely delicious pumpkin spice latte. It is so good, y'all. Well, let's get started. First off, I'll be using 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Next, I'll be using pumpkin puree, about 1/3 cup, followed by some pumpkin pie spice, half a teaspoon, and then vanilla extract. I use 1 teaspoon of that. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, or you can do maple syrup. And then add in half a cup of brewed coffee and stir it all up. Also not shown here is 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now you have to add the whipped cream. If you don't add the whipped cream, it will not even taste the same. You need the whipped cream. It's so good, guys. So good. And then throw on some more cinnamon. Look at that. Ooh, and there you have it. A beautiful and delicious pumpkin pie latte. It's so good, guys. Try it out. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more content such as this. And I'll see you guys next time.
Little baby, and I'm back and I'm working. No 9 to 5, put the work in.